Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can upload files to your drive and also share it with the link. So very simple process, hope you guys can follow through. And now that I said that, this is how you can do it. So all you have to do is install Google Drive. It is pre-installed on Android devices, but on an iPhone you will have to install it from the Play Store. Once you've done that, just open up Drive and click on the bottom right corner, the plus symbol. Once you tap on that, you can see a bunch of options and now click on Upload. Once you click on upload, you will get all the recent files that your device has accessed. Just select the file that you want to upload. Let's say I want to upload this file. Once I tap on that, I can see on the notification shade whether or not it has been uploaded. Now the file is uploaded. Just refresh the page and you will see that file. Once you're here, now you can see that the file has been successfully uploaded onto my drive. We can go ahead with step number 2, which is to share this file. Now to do this, you will have to tap on the top right corner again on the 3 dots. And once you tap on that, you can see a bunch of options. You can either share this file with people. Just type in their email address over here and it will go ahead and share that file with them. But if you want to copy the link and send the link for people to open, just tap on the 3 dots again and click on copy link. That's it. Now you can share this link with anyone and they can open and see the file. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.